having kids changes everything. Your priorities, your time, your relationships, and your body. But what else is changing is now more than ever, women are choosing to get their bodies back into shape in ways they just can't achieve in the gym. You might have noticed that after having kids, there's a change not only in the skin of your breasts and tummy, but the deeper tissues as well. Like many of my patients, you may be very active and committed to a vigorous workout schedule, only to notice that no matter how many crunches you do, that loose skin and tummy bulge just won't go away. And no amount of weight training will get your breasts to magically go uphill where they used to be. Correcting both of these areas many times during the same surgery is what is commonly referred to as the mommy makeover. It really is one of my favorite operations because the results can be so dramatic, and is one of the operations I rely most heavily on my training in Brazil. It can be done in combination with breast implants or liposuction, and almost all of my patients spend a few days of recovery in an attached care facility. With such a change, the recovery takes time, and most really benefit from a little help at home for about 10 to 14 days. But this combination produces some of my happiest patients. It truly turns back the clock.